The panels on the shed are looking a bit dirty, so I might just give them a clean and, well, inspect all the cells. And I'm going to clean them with just plain warm water. The only thing I'm adding is a little bit of elbow grease. So yes, the sun has dried these off pretty quickly, but what I've noticed now when I'm looking a bit closer is the solar cells on this panel here have actually got quite a lot of cracks in them, and there's a good number of them with that issue, all the way to the top here, down this side, all the way to the bottom. Can you see? More cracks in the solar panel, and in fact in a couple of places there it might be difficult to see, there's actually some rust, which suggests that water might be getting in, or there was some water in these panels when they were sealed together. That's a real shame. I've not noticed any reduction in the output of this panel, but yeah, I guess I wasn't looking for it either, so I'll have to keep an eye on that and perhaps see if I can contact the seller and invoke the warranty. Don't know. Anyway, hopefully you've enjoyed this little video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, comment if you can, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.